The need to optimize production efficiency whilst minimizing downtime are becoming even more critical to remain competitive and control costs. Supplementing your traditional tools, such as 2D drawings and spreadsheets, with the tools inside the product design and manufacturing collection can help you to create a fully integrated factory model that can help you better respond to change while maintaining production efficiency. Look for efficiencies in your manufacturing process by modeling, studying, and optimizing your process using Autodesk Process Analysis. Analyze your processes to identify bottlenecks and optimize how many components can be produced in a specific period. In the planning phase, 2D layouts in AutoCAD are perfect for quickly conceptualizing multiple proposals. In addition, you can use your layout to analyze and optimize material flow, helping you to choose the most effective proposal. At any time, your 2D AutoCAD layout can be converted to a 3D model in Inventor with a single click. Factory design utility assets have bidirectional sync. You can configure your assets in AutoCAD or Inventor and your designs will remain in sync. Having a 3D model of your facility that is accurate to the current conditions helps your team to make informed decisions throughout the lifecycle process for plan, build, and operate. Your 3D model can be used to maximize use of space while preventing installation errors using clash detection. Analyzing the 3D digital model aggregated from 3D point cloud scans and your collaborators' CAD data helps you to avoid costly failures and reduces the need for a contingency budget. Accurately communicate your designs with 2D drawings created associatively from the 3D model. Plans, elevations and sections are created by referencing the 3D model. Any changes to the model will automatically update in the drawings. The 3D model is also used to generate the equipment bill of materials, saving time and reducing the errors caused by a manual takeoff. During the planning phase of your project, incorporate scheduling information from Microsoft Project or Excel into your model and animate the project sequence to communicate your plan and look for problems during changes. Analyze your processes, strategically position and validate your equipment, plan for installation and operate the factory with the complete workflow from Autodesk Factory Design Utilities.